Hello, my name is Ed Blizzard. I'm the founding partner of Blizzard, McCarthy & Neighbors. We've been leaders in pharmaceutical litigation for over 20 years. On behalf of our clients, we've taken on most of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world and won some of the largest verdicts and settlements in the country. Today I would like to talk to you about a drug whose brand name is Reglan and whose generic name is metoclopramide. In 2006, August Macaluso was a healthy 57-year-old man who worked at a nuclear power plant in North Carolina. August was given Reglan to treat gastrointestinal reflux. It's also prescribed for a variety of other gastrointestinal ailments. Reglan was only approved by the FDA for short-term use, but like so many other Americans, August was given it for a longer period of time. The long-term use of Reglan has been linked in medical science to a disease called tardive dyskinesia, and August now suffers with that disease. His symptoms are that he has severe tremors of his hands and his legs, and so they shake persistently. He also has severe weakness on the left side, and so he has to use a cane. And he has these severe and relentless facial tics of his eyes, his cheeks, and his neck, and so he slurs his words and he stutters. August can no longer work, and as you can imagine, this has turned his world upside down. Now, the makers of Reglan have known for years that the long-term use of Reglan could cause tardive dyskinesia, but they did little to nothing to warn doctors or patients like August about the condition or to track the use or the safety of the drug. Even more disturbing is that in recent years, Reglan has been prescribed to infants. And so many of our clients are children who we're seeing some of the same symptoms in that are plaguing August. If you have taken Reglan and believe you have tardive dyskinesia, please get a medical evaluation. If you have any questions, please fill out the form at reglanjustice.com or call us toll-free at 866-265-0080. My name is Ed Blizzard, and I'm with Blizzard, McCarthy & Neighbors.